Can Samsung Pay accept payments? Can Samsung Pay accept payments? Samsung Pay cannot be used to accept payments directly. It is a digital wallet designed only for making payments, not for receiving payments. So, why Samsung Pay doesn't accept payments? It's built for customers to store their cards and pay merchants, not for merchants to collect money. So, unlike point of sale systems, Samsung Pay doesn't provide tools for invoicing or receiving funds. And transactions are routed through your bank card or your bank issuer, not peer-to-peer payment like a Zelle or Cash App. So, can Samsung accept payments? Unfortunately, Samsung Pay cannot accept payments, cannot be used to accept payments directly. It's just a digital wallet designed only for storing cards and making payments, not receiving them.